Just got to the fishing spot. We're gonna get set up and hopefully we catch something today. I'm gonna try to use a size 7 and hook, but if they don't work, I'm gonna go up to a size bigger. And yeah, my hook box needs to be cleaned out, so I'll let you know when I get everything fixed. Right now I am casted that way, and if we don't get anything there, I'm gonna go up a hook size and then cast straight out there with a whole night crawler on. Right now I'm only using a piece. I'll let you know what happens. A few hours later, still haven't caught anything yet, so we're gonna head out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.